Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. In this video we are going to have one word that goes with lots and lots of expressions and sentences in Arabic language. The one word is انتبه. 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 So it has the A, N, T, B and the H. انتبه. The H sound in English, the H, like in house. So when you tell someone انتبه, then you are telling them watch out, watch out. Just like this sign down the streets, it's going to be انتبه, انتبه, like maybe stop or like be careful, or just like watch out, just like the watch out in English. So we use it like this, انتبه, انتبه. The first one is watch out, watch out. I will tell you some sentences in a minute when we finish this. So the first thing is to say watch out. The second meaning is to pay attention. Like, you know, even in English, it's similar to each other. So you would say pay attention, pay attention. It's also انتبه, انتبه, pay attention. Also, the least common way of saying انتبه in English, it's gonna be careful, be careful. But we have something else to say be careful, like it's gonna be stronger than this, but we also say it like انتبه, be careful, انتبه, be careful. So right now we will use the very first thing, which is the watch out. For example, watch the street signs. You may see the sign which is going to tell you like watch out, there is a school ahead. Maybe watch out, maybe there is a speed bump out there. So watch out, a school. Watch out, maybe traffic light. So watch out. This is the watch out sign. So it would be just انتبه, انتبه, and then you will just stop because it's a sign, so it's just one word. The second one is, for example, if you wanted to say watch out, I will tell you how to use it. Watch out for yourself. Watch out for yourself, like take care of yourself. Watch out for yourself, it's going to be in the spoken Arabic first and then in the standard Arabic. And the spoken Arabic is going to be انتبه, انتبه, انتبه على حالك, انتبه على حالك. انتبه is watch out, watch out. is on, حال is like your situation or your like حالك, yourself. So انتبه على حالك. انتبه على حالك is watch out for yourself or take care of yourself. We say it a lot in spoken Arabic, always, for example, for saying مع السلامة or مع السلامة, like goodbye, انتبه على حالك, انتبه على حالك. If you are telling a girl to watch out for herself, you are going to tell her انتبهي على حالك, انتبهي على حالك. انتبهي, because this one is commanding. You are asking her to watch out for herself, for yourself. So it's going to be انتبهي على حالك. For a group of people in spoken Arabic, it's going to be انتبهوا على حالكم, انتبهوا على حالكم. So this is how we say it in the spoken Arabic. Let's see how to use it in the standard Arabic. In the standard Arabic, it's going to be انتبه إلى نفسك. انتبه إلى. So انتبه is watch out. إلى is to, like regarding something. إلى, and then نفسك, نفسك is yourself. انتبه إلى نفسك. If you are speaking to a girl, you would tell her انتبهي إلى نفسك. انتبهي إلى نفسك. If you are speaking to a bunch of people, it's gonna be انتبهوا إلى أنفسكم. انتبهوا إلى أنفسكم. And this is it for the standard Arabic. Of course, we have lots of conjugations in the standard Arabic, but I'm not going there because we are just going to the انتبه word, which is like to watch out. This is the first thing. So we are done. Let me give you one example about watching out for something. So for example, if you wanted to say watch out for yourself when driving, when you are driving. So you would tell the person, if you are speaking to a male, and in the spoken Arabic you would tell him انتبه على حالك, انتبه على حالك, انت وعم تسوق or تسوق. انت وعم تسوق or تسوق while you are driving. انت وعم تسوق or انت وعم تسوق. This is in the spoken Arabic. Now let's go into the standard Arabic. The standard Arabic is going to be the same sentence, like watch out for yourself when driving, while driving. So you would tell him انتبه إلى نفسك عندما تقود. عندما تقود. So انتبه إلى نفسك. انتبه إلى نفسك عندما تقود. عندما تقود while driving. When you are driving. While driving. So this is it for watch out. Now we are done with watching out. So the second meaning I told you is to pay attention. Pay attention. So for example, I will give you one example about these in spoken and in the standard. For example, if you wanted to ask someone, like you are angry and you are really upset and you wanted to tell someone, can't you pay attention when I'm talking? Can't you pay attention when I'm talking? Can't you? Can't you pay attention when I'm talking? So it would be in the spoken Arabic first, it's gonna be ما فيك. ما فيك. So because we started with can't you, like ما فيك. ما فيك. ما فيك, and I'm speaking to a girl right now. ما فيك تنتبه. ما فيك تنتبه. أنا وعم بحكي. ما فيك تنتبه. أنا وعم بحكي. Can't you pay attention when I'm talking, while I'm talking? Can't you? Can't you? So ما فيك. ما فيك تنتبه. أنا وعم بحكي. If you are speaking to a girl and you wanted to tell her that, you would tell her ما فيكي تنتبهي. أنا وعم بحكي. ما فيكي تنتبهي أنا وعم بحكي. ما فيكي. Can't you? If you are speaking to a bunch of people, you would tell them also in spoken ما فيكن. ما فيكن تنتبهوا أنا وعم بحكي. ما فيكن تنتبهوا أنا وعم بحكي. Can't you pay attention when I'm talking? For all of you. Now let's get into the standard Arabic, the same one, like can't you pay attention when I'm talking? You will tell them in standard Arabic يمكنك أن تنتبه. ألا يمكنك أن تنتبه عندما أتكلم. عندما أتكلم. If you are speaking to a girl, you would tell her ألا يمكنك أن تنتبهي عندما أتكلم. عندما أتكلم. If you are speaking to a bunch of people, you would tell them ألا يمكنكم. ألا يمكنكم أن تنتبهوا عندما أتكلم. Again, ألا يمكنكم أن تنتبهوا عندما أتكلم. This is in the standard Arabic. The last meaning of watch out or like انتبه, it's gonna be, as I told you, the first one is to watch out, the second one is pay attention, and the third was to be careful. So it's the least common meaning in these ones. So it's gonna be careful. Be careful. You would just say be careful. انتبه. Be careful. For example, there is something in front of you. انتبه. You are gonna like انتبه. انتبه. So it's gonna be انتبه. But for be careful, we have another meaning, which is احذر. 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 We don't use this احذر in the spoken Arabic. We just use it in the standard Arabic. So this is why انتبه. انتبه. It's gonna be more useful for standard and spoken at the same time. So this is our word for today. I hope you like it. If you like it, please tell me in the comments below, and also hit the like button, comment, share it with your friends, especially those who are learning the Arabic language, especially the Levantine, also the standard Arabic. When any suggestions, recommendations, or any questions, please also comment them below. And do not hesitate to also message me on the page messages so I can, of course, help you and answer all of your questions. Love you guys, and I will see you in next videos. Bye!